Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome again with one more video lecture for class 6th. Today I am going to start new chapter. The name of the chapter is Getting to Know Plants. Dear students, as you know that our life depends on plants. Without plants, we cannot get food and oxygen to breathe. So both humans and animals, they are depend on plants. Okay, we cannot get food and oxygen that we have to breathe without plants. We see a lot of plants around us. Okay, they are of different color, they are of different size, they are of different shapes. Okay, the shapes, size and the color of those plants are different. When we go outside and observe all the plants around you, okay, do you see that some plants are small, some are very big, while some are just patches of grasses on the soil? Okay, some are green. Okay, some plants they have green leaves, while some others have reddish ones. Okay, some have huge red flowers, some have tiny blue ones, while some have none. So when we go outside, we see different kinds of plants. Some are small, some are big, some are very small. Okay, and different types of leaves on those plants. The shape, the size, the color of the leaves are different. Okay, and some have flowers, some have not flowers. Okay, we do see a variety of plants existing all around us, near our homes, in the school ground, on the way to the school, in the parks and gardens, isn't it? Based on these characteristics, most of the plants can be classified into three categories like herbs, shrubs, and trees. Okay, according to size or according to the nature of the stems, plants can be divided into the following categories like herbs, shrubs, trees, creepers, and climbers. Okay, let us discuss one by one what are herbs, what are shrubs, what are trees, and what are climbers. Herbs. Herbs are small plants which have soft stem. Okay, these are the small plants which have soft stem, which have weak stem, which have small stem. Examples: wheat plant, wheat, paddy, cabbage, grasses, coriander, tomato, mint. These all are herbs. If you have to classify which one of the following is herb, which is shrub, you have to see that the characteristics of the plant. Those plants which have soft stem, which have weak stem, okay, which have soft stem, which have weak stem, those plants are herbs. Those plants are herbs. For example, paddy, cabbage, grass, coriander, wheat, tomato, mint. These all are herbs. Shrubs. These are bushy and medium-sized plants. Okay, these are bushy and medium-sized plants. They are somewhat bigger than herbs. These shrubs are somewhat bigger than herbs. These shrubs like rose plant, lemons, okay, they are somewhat bigger than herbs. They are bushy, they are medium sized, and they have woody stem. Their branches start from just above the ground. Just above the ground, okay, the branches of the plant starts. The branches of the plants, okay. Examples: lemon, coriander, rose. Okay, these are the examples of the shrubs. Tree. These are tall and large plants with hard and woody stem. Okay, trees, they are large and tall plants with hard and woody stem. Okay, trees, they are tall and large plants with hard and woody stem. With hard and woody stem. A single main stem arises from the ground. A single main stem arises from the ground. As you can see in the stem, a single main stem arises from the ground. Okay, the main stem is called trunk. The main stem is called trunk. The trunk gives out many branches at certain heights. This trunk gives out many branches at certain heights. ओके, बहुत सारे ब्रांचेस एक ट्रंक से निकलते हैं, एक ट्रंक से ग्रो हो जाते हैं इन ट्रीज. These branches carry leaves, flowers and fruits. On each and every branch of this tree there are leaves, flowers and fruits. Examples of those: banyan, acacia, coconut, poplar, willow. Okay, trees, they are tall and large plants with hard and woody stem. They are tall plants, they are large plants, they have hard and woody stem. A single main stem arises from the ground and the main stem is called trunk. Okay, the trunk gives out many branches at certain height. These branches carries leaves, these branches carries flowers, these branches carries fruits. Examples of the trees are mango, banyan, acacia, coconut, poplar and willow. Climbers. Okay, plants with weak stem that need support is called climber. Okay, those are the plants with weak stem and those plants need support, and those plants need support, and those plants are called climbers. Okay, without support the plants can grow, but their stem is weak, their stem can be broken easily. If the support is present, those climbers grow around that support and the stem of those plants can't be broken. Okay, examples of those climbers are grapevines, money plant, cucumber and beans. Okay, creepers, plants with weak stem that cannot stand upright and separate on the ground are called creepers. Okay, these are the plants, they have also weak stem that can stand up, that cannot stand upright and that cannot stand upright and separate on the ground. And those plants, those creepers, they separate on the ground, they separate on the ground. Examples of those creepers are pumpkin, watermelon, sweet potato, etc. Okay, based on now known we know that based on the characteristics of the plant, based on the size, nature of the stem, based on the shape of the plant, we can divide plants into following different types or following categories: herbs, shrubs, trees, creepers and climbers. Herbs, they are weak, their stem is soft, their stem is weak, their stem is short. Okay, those are called herbs. Shrubs, they are somewhat bigger than the herbs and they have woody stem. They have woody stem and have many branches on that, and the branches grow above the ground. Above the ground. Trees, they have a strong and hard stem. Okay, they have tall and large plants with hard and woody stem. A single stem arises from the ground. The main stem is called a trunk, and the trunk gives out branches, and on each and every branch there are leaves, flowers, fruits. Examples of the trees are banyan, acacia, coconut, poplar, willow, walnut, chinar, etc. Creepers and climbers both are the weak plants and both of them have weak stem. The creepers, they cannot stand upright, they cannot sit upright, they separate on the ground. But climbers, they have weak stem that need support and that need support to remain upright. Okay, to remain or to stand upright. Those are known as climbers. Examples of creepers are pumpkin, watermelon, sweet potato, etc. And examples of climbers are grapevine, money plant, cucumber, and beans.